we're coming to school to learn massage therapy, but we also graduate with a degree in learning how to read each other and being there with each other and caring for each other, because we can't be our best practitioners if we're not our best selves, and we can't be our best self if you are not your best self.
I teach wellness and self-care for massage therapists at Northwestern Health Sciences, and we cover things like nutrition, sleep, functional fitness and injury prevention, body mechanics, all the things that you would think are involved in a career for massage therapy, but also things like self-compassion and boundaries and self-care. And I think it really builds skills for integrity for practitioners so that we're really practicing what we preach.
I chose this school for their trauma-informed healthcare class.
The trauma-informed healthcare class creates better massage therapists because it allows the student to recognize the pervasiveness of psychological trauma that people may be experiencing and what they may be bringing into the treatment room. It allows the massage therapy students to be able to hold better space and to be able to connect the dots, maybe for themselves, for the client, to create a better, more cohesive session around what is happening that may be connected to some psychological or emotional issues that they may have.
It's that community binding together to, like, I help you, you help me. We all want to help each other because that's why we're at school. We're here to help people. So I'm gonna start off by helping the person next to me. The professors at the school are amazing. And it's just that curiosity that they bring to their own profession and their own life gets fed over into us. And it's the most positive experience I've ever been in.